This out. Thank you guys for the views on that short, by the way. But I did just replace this hose right here, and we're gonna go ahead and burp the coolant system. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. I'm gonna add the coolant. I'm gonna start the vehicle up, and y'all gonna see the bubbles come out the coolant system right here. This is all the old coolant that was already in the car. I'm pretty much just burping the system. All right, so the car is running. I'm about to remove the little yellow stick. Oh yeah, this will look like when you burping the coolant system. All them bubbles pretty much coming up. All them bubbles come out of all the air that was in the coolant. Man, I need to add some more. Alright, bro, so I pretty much just started adding anything for real. Anything I could goddamn find for real. Yellow, green, blue. I'm mixing all of it. I just don't want the damn motor to run hot, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to burp all the I'm trying to burp all the bubbles out, all the air out the system real quick. God, oh, boy, that mother drinking, ain't it? Oh yeah, it got a lot of air in the system. Oh my God, it is shrinking. Oh man. Alright, so it finally stopped. Actually, hold on, wait a minute. It's slowing down. It was going at a way faster rate than this. It's definitely slowing down. But that's how you burp your coolant system. You gotta get one of these little adapters right here. Pretty much match this up to this and get the fitting and then put this funnel on it. And then just keep pouring coolant and stuff in here. You're really supposed to put the exact same color. I started out with like I think it was like a green. I ended up putting blue in there. I ended up putting yellow in there. Really just stick to the same type of brand of coolant. Don't mix your coolants, but in my situation, my hose busted. So I'm pretty much just burping the system to get all the air back out. Because I just, the car wouldn't start, it shut off on me, overheated. I'm trying to get it back going. But yeah, that's how you burp your coolant system in your V6 1997 3.8 liter Mustang.